Hey guys, it is Wednesday, July the 6th, 2022, and we're going to take a little walk around the public beach access here in Gulf Shores, here by the Hangout at the end of 59. Thank you for watching. The beach mat does make it easier to access the soft sand, but only goes halfway across the beach here, as you can see. Volleyball nets there in the distance. Little boardwalk area with a playground back there. Benches and picnic tables, bathhouse facilities. And there's the Hangout restaurant. Pink Pony Pub down on the other end down there, facing into the sun. May not be able to see as well. We'll go that way in just a few minutes. And the Gulf State Park Pier, you can see out over the water there in the distance. To keep from having to fight the sun with a lens, we'll go down to the east end and make our way back to the west. And at the very end, we'll go down to the resident-only parking area. The Leave Only Footprints program is here also. And always be aware of the flags. Pink Pony Pub here, located right on the beach. And looking back across the public beach access to the west there. This is the Hangout parking. It does cost to park here, but if you're eating at the Hangout, I think they give you a credit off of part of your food to cover the parking if you're here to eat, or at least it used to be. I'm not sure of the new current policy. This little parking lot right here is for the Hangout only. This parking lot next door to it is the public parking, also paid parking, but this is the general beach parking. The Hangout also has overflow parking across the street there in that lot. It's also paid. Each attendant sitting up. They do have one of the blue mats at this access point also. There's sand showers to rinse off with. the Hangout restaurant. They do a Pirates and Princesses breakfast, and in the evenings they have live music, a bubble foam machine, a little trampoline bounce area, lots of areas for the kids to play, and music and dancing and birthday party stuff. Pretty cool place. The paid parking is enforced from March the 1st to November the 30th. We'll peek over the fence here into the Hangout's little play yard area. There's a little souvenir store there. Trading Company Gulf Shores, beach outfitters with your typical souvenir store merchandise and floats. Across the way here, there are some Coke machines underneath, but above are the bathroom facilities and a little shower area. Playground area here. Little wooden pirate ship and a parkour type playground. I'll be bringing my grandson down here next week to let him play on this stuff. Nice big green filled area. I mentioned the flag system earlier. Red flags means dangerous surf. Double red flags means the water is closed. You can be on the beach but can't be in the water for safety. And the purple is actually dangerous marine life, which is probably jellyfish for today. And the flag warnings are on the signs. Remember to pick up all your stuff in the evenings and bring back with you to your room or condo. They will dispose of it through the night. Dogs on a leash are allowed up here on the boardwalk and green areas, but they're not allowed on the sand areas and must remain on a leash the entire time. Lots of volleyball nets. They do hold volleyball tournaments down here and actually rope off the beach in front of the Hangout restaurant and cover it over with volleyball nets. Pretty cool to watch. Another paid parking area here to the west end of the public beach access. And there's another bathroom facility just on the other side of that building right there in front of us. More beach attendants coming to set up their chairs. Here's that other bathroom facility. They don't allow overnight parking here in these parking lots either. They will ticket and or tow. Usually they're towing them. So the public beach access here in Gulf Shores is a great place to come hang out for the day. Restaurants nearby, shopping with the little souvenir stores, bathroom facilities, everything you need right here. As hot as it already is, the little kid in me wants to run through those sprinklers so bad. And that's just a quick little walk through here at the public beach access in Gulf Shores. It's at the end of Highway 59 here in Gulf Shores, right beside the Hangout. Thank you for watching the videos. Thank you for subscribing. The back side of the stage there at the Hangout. That I was telling you about is just on the other side of the Phoenix All Suites Hotel there, and you have to be a full-time resident of Gulf Shores with a sticker attached to your windshield to be able to park there without being ticketed or towed.